Okay, things are going pretty well here. One thing I want to remind you of when it comes to the counting, like sometimes it's okay to say all the eighth notes, like the one and two and three and four and, but for rhythms like this, um, do feel like it's going to be your best bet to practice saying only what it is you're playing. So like counting that bar right there, saying the one and two and three and four and the whole time. Sometimes I can see it being beneficial, but I do believe you're going to be far better off only saying what you play. Say what you play, say what you play. Not everything, just what you play. We're eventually going to have really complicated rhythms where there could be benefit to saying all of the eighth notes, especially if you're not spacing things well enough. But for something like this, definitely doable, only saying what you play. So remember, for this, that highlighted bar, you're not going to be going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You're just going to go 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. And because you end up going so fast with both of those and everything is sounding good, we're going to jump ahead in the skill level. So every bar here is different, which makes it even more important that you say only what you play. That's going to help a bunch. And make sure, count it out loud in your videos from 60 to 120. Show me that you got it. Show me that you understand. Very important, very helpful. 60 to 120 at least. Say it out loud. Say it out loud. So, yeah, every bar is different. One thing to be careful of right here, this is where a lot of people get tripped up because this chord carries across the bar line. So you're going to be changing chords here on the upbeat or the upstroke. So what you may need to do is just focus on these two bars to get used to it. Totally fine to do that. Anytime you come across something that's giving you extra trouble, you definitely want to focus on that. So if you do need to work on just those two bars, you'd have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and. So yeah, you're gonna be switching into that G5 when you perform the upstroke. So make sure you don't cut off the C5 early. That's got to ring out across beat 1, and then you have your upbeat and the upstrum happen when you go into the G5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and done. Okay. So before I get into the whole thing, I do have this written out again a second time, but instead of using all the tight eighth notes within the bar, just using the quarter notes, so this way you get used to seeing both. So let's start with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4 and done. Now I'm going to switch over to the harder to read version and stick with that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4 and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 4, 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, done. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 4, 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. All right, number 2. So this one's in 3/4. So this is going to be setting you up for a more challenging rhythm we're going to be trying out. So 6 bars, rhythm written out 2 different ways, just like the previous thing. So when you're playing this, you're always going to be changing the strum, or the strum pattern is always going to go down, up, up, down, and it just keeps flipping between those 2. Down, up, down, up, down. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. The whole time. Here we go. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3. 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 120. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 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 3. Done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Go. All right. I think that covers it. So yeah, any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.